We need a superhero!
I'm okay. That fall was intentional.
Seriously?
I am Dr. Broke! My evil machine will make everyone lose their Wi-Fi forever! No Wi-Fi? Too far!
I'd rather fight the robot myself.
Good news, the mailbox has surrendered. Hold on, I forgot to charge it. Time for my ultimate power, free 2-day shipping! I probably should have aimed those.
Battery, 1% remaining.
Free 2-day shipping!
Charger.
Exactly as I planned. Why do batteries die at the worst moment?
You left the plastic battery tab in.
Captain Refund, how did you defeat him? Strategy. Really? No, pure luck. You're officially the greatest superhero alive! Ow! See? Even gravity works for me. You're officially the greatest superhero alive! Sorry, I can't save you from that.